Meaning of expire.
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 Expire. The term expire generally refers to the end of the validity period of a document, license, contract, or other form of legal agreement. When something expires, it is no longer considered valid or active, and its terms and conditions are no longer enforceable beyond the expiration date. This means that any claims, benefits, or obligations that were previously associated with the expired document or agreement will no longer be in effect. Expired items may need to be renewed to continue functioning as intended, or they may need to be replaced entirely.